Here I have HUAWEI P Smart 2021, and today I'm going to show you how some of the secret codes on this device and also how to enter them. So the first code for today, to enter codes you have to open a keyboard on your phone and enter codes here, and the first code for today is the *## 2846579 ###. This one is the project menu. Here you can find some of the additional settings, some interesting information about your phone. There's a lot of them, a lot of features here. Just enter this code and get to know with them by yourself. The second code for today is the *## 0000 *##*, and this one is just the about phone informations, like the model, build number, IMEI. Next code is the *## 225 *##*, and this one is the calendar info. As you can see, unfortunately I have no calendars here. And the last code for today is the *#06#, and this one is the IMEI information and the serial number information. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.